I made an art gallery on Roblox, and it's all part of my freedom of speech update. The goal of this update is to let as many artists as possible make small amounts of work, and in exchange for these small amounts of work, they get small amounts of profit. My idea is by taking these small amounts of effort and putting them all together in a game, it'll make a bunch of money. The art gallery will have a bunch of paintings, and next to each of these paintings will be donation buttons that will donate to the creator of the painting. Let's start. This is our game. We're just going to start working on the model of it. So, usually players don't really like it when stuff is inside. Personally, I don't. I find it's a bit crammed. Also, it's much more difficult to do. So I think for the art gallery, we're going to make a big space that's going to be outside. What should we make? Let's start with a pillar. That's an easy one to do. And we're going to make some stuff that's going to be able to connect with that. Okay, so these are our models so far. Trees that are in pots. This is so ugly. I think I'm complicating my life. I think we need to make it very simple. It'll fit the vibe enough. We need things to expose the art on. Don't want to make any frames. I think I should make a light so that we can see the art better. And I will work on that till someone tells me otherwise. I made a beautiful light. This is going amazing so far. Some of my streams are always like not good. But this one is okay. We're getting stuff done. Let's make a stage. That's gonna be cool. I like making stages. I'm pretty good at it. I used to only make like the whole point of my game used to be concerts for a moment. There we go. Now we have a stage. And I think it's beautiful. And I think I am doing an amazing job right now. Computer better not crash because I would get pretty mad. Alright. We've got walls, we've got a bunch of decoration, well, one decoration. We can use other decorations, and I should be good. Oh god, that's far away. There we go. And now we just need to figure out where we want to put it. Personally, if it's the main event, then we should probably put it over here. I decide I want to put something else there. No, this is the main event. This is what we're gonna be putting it there. We're gonna try making something. We're going to have this go like that, and then oh no, that doesn't align very well, does it? Okay, well, if we purposefully unalign it, then I'll be fine, right? Yeah, that's how it works. All right, so then we can take this, put it that way, and then when we do Control D, it stays in this, right? Hell yeah. Okay, now we are talking. Come on. This is so annoying. Okay, I don't think we're going to be able to use these. I think we're going to have to use parts, which I didn't really want to do too much. Okay, wait. This actually looks really good. I actually like this. All right, let's see. Let's check on our guy claiming land. So welcome. Let me show you guys the process of getting a guy into our server. So we're going to call it partner 00. Oh, darn. What are we at? Like 56 or something? Create channel. Edit channel. So 57. And now we go to partner 56. Check out what he was doing. So we forward this. Partner 56, forward this, and then we ping the person, and his name is, oh darn, it's not private. If we take the stage, we will take this guy's position, down and out, but I don't like the color of the stage anymore. Thing like that. Looks like they're sticking out their tongue. I don't like that. Press Control. Hell yeah, there we go. Are they the same? Yes, they are. There we go. And now what we can do is we can place the light that is definitely too big. Look how goofy this is. All right, there we go. And now we have this teeny tiny light. And what we're going to do is we put a part and we align it with this. So its position, this one's position, and we do a spotlight. Make it 60 degrees. 100. Why is there no darkness? We're gonna have to start be like this. I could have sworn you can. Oh, view. It must be in view. Show grid. Hell yeah. It is aligned. It was aligned the whole darn time. Everything looks better when you put it like this. So amazing. I look so smart making this. Right. Take the whole. Okay, come on. Ah, it feels so good to. It's not aligned. It's not aligned. Control D. We're going. Yeah, I think we're just gonna rotate them. Make it day again. I don't like it. Holy crap, this looks good. Oh, right, but it looks good. Maybe, what if we get rid of the, it looks so empty, but it still looks good. Just broke. What the hell? How does that happen? How does it move by 0.1? It just does. It just, can't help itself. Alright. It's good enough. This plant over here, then we put the art, a little stage, and a light. We put the thing on the wall. Then you can go to the next one, and we will be putting donation buttons as well, which I will have to do later. So we're going to place this in a centered way. I'm not sure how, but I'm assuming, hey, it is. Let's go. All right. Let's take that, and we will flip it like the amount of angles it takes to have it be the same but different. Ooh. I'm a genius. Control C. How many blocks would it be? I don't know. Oh, it's the wrong height. Is it okay? It's the right angle. I have actually no idea if anyone's gonna notice. That's what I don't know. Let's go. Could not care less, sadly. I wish I cared more, but I don't at all. Okay, that works. That works. In my opinion, there won't be that much art, right? There won't be that many people. So we can just have it just extend this way, then have like mega pieces of art every once in a while. So, but for now, this will be a good enough design for launch. If I were a player, ooh, my amazing loading screen. Oh, the whole thing fell, darn. I haven't anchored anything in like 3 months. Then we've got this, which is what we are now evaluating. From a player's perspective, very open, yet very close. Could we improve? Well, I mean, besides this floor being boring, now it doesn't look boring at all. This looks awesome. So let's make donation button. Darn it. Okay, let's check the script. ChatGPT has got us covered. How to make a donation button in Roblox Studio. I want the player to click. I want the player to click and it to be a dev product. Click on that. Yes. Yes. There we go. We've got these curving paths that I like. And this time will count. So now 0 degrees, we'll do 1 degree. And then we do 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think we did a pretty good job. If you want to participate, you can, as of now, go to our Discord server and ping one of our mods or me. Once you've done this, you will have to agree to our rules while we set up an account for you. This account means that you will have a private chat with all of our moderators and me, who will be able to set you up if you want to make paintings or any other kinds of art in the future. You will also have to join our Roblox group so that we can pay you without any of the Roblox taxes, if necessary. There will be a follow-up video that will have the official rules for all of this, but if you want to get a head start, I'm not going to stop you.